If you're hosting this summer and need some crowd-pleasing mixed drinks or cocktails, we have a great selection for you at BC Liquor. My name is Lisa Giovanella. I'm the Portfolio Program Manager. Starting off with cocktails, we have Wiley's Wild Cocktails. This one I'm featuring is the lime mango, but there's also a strawberry lemon. Now these are somebody who's looking for a little bit more adventure, something with a little bit of kick. Also the straight and narrow, this one is a brand new flavor from the brand, a tried, tested and true, delicious, refreshing beverage. And last up, one of our favorites, Cutwater. We have the Lemon Drop Martini. This is a brand new flavor, and the single can serving is available only at BC Liquor. For a couple more mixed drinks, here are a few other options. Starting off with the Crafty Elk Hard Juice. This is a mixed pack with some really fun flavors, different blends of juices and teas, and also a little bit nicer with a lighter alcohol of 4.5%. Then we blend two iconic Canadian brands together to create a whiskey and ginger ale. So Crown Royal with JP Wiser's is the perfect combination. And lastly, we have Sapporo. This is Canada's #1 favorite Japanese beer brand, and they've just come out with a brand new ready-to-drink beverage, which is this vodka-based lemon sour. I can't wait to pour this over ice and have a sip. Head into your nearest BC Liquor store to find these mixed drinks or cocktails and many more. Cheers.